Taro forever, guys. Welcome back again. Um, Another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys back. Hope the week was well. It's Saturday here in Samoa. I'm just on my way to the plantation now to do my part of the week in helping out Pa and Uncle during the week. So we've got some Tiapula from the house. I only got the ones, the recent ones. There are other ones there that I didn't pick. I didn't bring because they've actually gone quite moldy and stuff. So we've been harvesting taro this week. We have leftover tiapulas from that harvest that I'm actually going today to plant. So that's why I wanted to come on Saturdays, is to help out Uncle and Paa during the week, and hopefully, give them a hand at the chores on the plantation. So we're going to plant some tiapula today, get some taro for Sunday tomorrow, some coconuts, and check on our corn as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and I just want to say thank you again, guys, for the growth of the channel. Really do appreciate it. But yeah, we'll hopefully see you guys soon, and yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so thought I might as well just show you how I plant taro here on the farm. Farmers may vary, but this is the way I plant taro, and I'll give the reason behind it. So see, I haven't started making the hole, but what I try to do is make the hole as much as big as possible, and as wide. So I'll show you now, only because as the taro grows, once it gets into that vegetative state where the comb begins to form, the comb will want to expand. So we try to give it as much space and as possible, at the same time making it the soil a bit loose. So I'll show you guys. So then I give also I do a circular motion just to make the hole. You guys can see there, and you see that hole. So that'll be the starting point of the taro when we actually push it in. And so you see, as the taro grows up, the comb will take all of this space, and plus, because I made it a bit loose when I went side to side like this, it'll actually, as it grows, the soil is still loose, and then it'll actually give it more space. So after we put it in, then give it a bit of soil just to tighten the stand of the taro. And there we go. There you have it. So that's what I've done for the majority of the taro that I'm planting here. Is the same method, and that's because this is the way I plant it. So I'm not sure how other farmers plant it. I know some say just need a, as long as the taro, the Tiapula, can stand, that's fine. But I like to give it just a bigger hole so that it allows the comb to expand. But yeah guys, sun's coming back. Almost done. I've got about 4, maybe 5. Then I've got another bag there, which I'll probably finish off around here. And then we'll go get some taro, some coconuts for the umu tomorrow. We're back. I mean, we got shade back, but just wanted to take a quick break. Feeling a bit lightheaded. Obviously, you know, given my size, I am a bit fat. Not a bit fat, I'm fat. And proud to be fat. Fat power. But yeah, just feeling a bit lightheaded, so just gonna take it a bit easy, and then we'll head back to planting. I know that you know, I'm a big person, but that doesn't stop me from you know, doing things that may be difficult for fat people. But you know, that's the whole part of challenging yourself, and you know, becoming better. Don't let your physical abilities or disabilities, your physical disabilities, that's what I'm trying to say, stop you from doing what you want. You know, just gotta keep driving forward and believe in yourself. That's you know, a bit of advice from Mr. Farmer under the banana tree. All right. Guys, got a little bit distracted there. I'm gonna head off and finish my tiapula, and then I don't think I can record because the rain's about to come down. So I'm gonna put my phone in my plastic bag here, and then we'll go. We'll see you guys afterwards. But yeah. All right, guys. Just finished the planting the Tiapula. I think it was about close to 70 Tiapula from the harvesting this week. So already planted all over there. The rain's coming down. Phone's getting wet. But it's a good rain for the taro, so I'm actually quite drenched at the moment. But the sun's coming back out, and that's the worst, is having the sun straight after the rain. Another reason why I finished on time, because once it starts getting when it rains a lot more, this also gets heavier, only because there's a lot more dirt sticking on it. So every time you pull it out, it gets harder and harder to pull out, so it just takes a lot more energy. But I'm gonna head off and grab some coconuts, get some taro. Hopefully I can still record, guys, because it's raining. Well, partially. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that little session. I need to put my shirt back on. Don't want the birds to catch feelings. So just walking to the car and I noticed there's a banana here. We could give it another 1, maybe 2 weeks, but it's already eaten by the birds and the leaves are already dying, so I don't see the point in keeping it. It'll just be keeping it on the banana plants, so I might as well just take it home and use it rather than just leaving it here. Whew. Was honking the horn for the cows to come, but they're not coming. And it's pretty what do you call it, straightforward, because it's been raining. It was dry for a very long time here in Samoa, but the past few days it's been raining, so the cows have been getting a lot of water lately, which has really helped us. So I understand why they're not coming. It's because they're probably not thirsty. So I could opt to go inside with the car to collect the coconuts, but especially this entrance and exit here, once it does rain, it gets really slippery and I can barely make it out. so that's why I'm just parking it here at the gate, and then I'm gonna go look for the coconuts, but should be some close by, so fairly straightforward. I'm gonna go get some coconuts. See you in a bit. Sorry guys, got some coconuts. Sorry it's raining at the moment, so I don't think I can record, but just gonna go get some taro now. So there's been a change of plans. I've opted to grab the taro from the house as opposed to here at the farm, only because it's raining a lot now, and I'm actually quite soaked at the moment, so I don't want to completely wet the car. So yeah, but there's taro at home, so we'll get the taro from the house. So I'm gonna head off home now. Probably have something to eat, then get some rest. Then I'll wake up in the evening and prep the umu for tomorrow, for our Sunday cooking episode. I'm actually quite fond of umus now, so I might have to give it another go. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I really appreciate making it for you guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. And yeah, we'll definitely catch you guys on the next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you guys soon.